Yes, hello, hello, hello. How are you all? Good evening, everyone. So I have Karishma here, Himaja, my dear student, then Devamma, Ravalya, okay, and Sandhya. Is it our dear Sandhya, ma'am? Okay, so good evening. Thanks for joining.
Yeah, ma'am, your chat box is showing up, like your screen is visible.
Okay, if I should do presentation mode, is it? Is that what you want?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute.
First, press on the Canva link and then do the presentation mode.
This fine?
Refresh. Refresh your screen.
It's not seen for you people, is it? Still?
No.
Ma'am, you can stop sharing and then reshare it.
Okay, I stopped sharing. Let me just pause. Okay, here we are. So, welcome to this new batch of Future Ready Hub. We have lots of great plans for you. We have big dreams for you, okay? So, we want to help you in transforming your life. And our tagline is to make you readers, thinkers, and leaders. Okay. And I just want to say you're in the right place at the right time. You've entered our universe. Now, just simply follow the system, whatever we tell you, and we will make it interesting, this learning. Okay. And it's going to be fun. All you have to do is the small tasks that we keep giving you, keep doing that, and you will see how these small tasks can transform your life and will help you to achieve some big things in life. Okay, that's my promise for you. So let's just start with an orientation for you to get an idea of what is in store for you, what is it that you'll be learning here, and what is expected from you, what is this whole transformation journey all about. So the agenda for today is I'll brief you about what are the different tasks that you will have to do, okay? About this 12-week journey, program highlights, new important plans, and team members introduction and awards criteria. So it's going to be very interesting. There are a lot of awards also here. So I don't know if you know that such things exist wherein you keep learning, but here it's very different. You learn, you implement, you win an award. Okay. This learning is going to be very different. It's fun and interesting, and we handhold you throughout. There is no time wherein you will feel, okay, I'm lost, I don't know what to do. The team is always available and ready for you to help you in whatever you require. Okay, so we start off with 3 daily tasks. Okay, one is called mindful journaling prompts that we post early in the morning. And why do you have to do this? One is very simple, straightforward. You'll improve your writing skills. You'll be able to write better. There'll be clarity in your mind. And another thing is now you have a goal of achieving a 6-figure salary, isn't it? So you need to have a plan in place. You need to start working towards it. You have to start thinking like one. So this mindful journaling is something that will help you to unclutter your mind. It'll help you to plan your day better. It'll help you to work on your writing skills. There are so many things involved. See, the way we have designed this program is each activity, whatever we post for you, has been very thoughtfully created, wherein there are multiple outcomes for each activity. So we give you a prompt. All you have to do, get up in the morning, look at that prompt and start writing. Okay, and nobody is going to check this, so don't worry. Is my grammar okay? Is my English okay? Is this the right answer? There's no right or wrong answer for this, because this is what you feel, this is what you think. It's all about you. So then nobody is going to check. But on the other hand, I want you to promise that you will do this every day, because this is something that's going to change your life, believe me. Okay, whichever job you are in, this can be an activity that will help you to plan your day, clear your thoughts, and a lot of things happens in this. There's visualization, and another thing is this free flow of writing can be like therapy actually. So my suggestion to you is, take that topic and start writing whatever you feel like. You can just simply write in first person itself. Okay, then the second one is language learning tasks that we post, so that you can work on your language in a better way. And don't get too confused now. I will just briefly touch upon each activity. I'll not go too much into details. Don't think, okay, I'm not able to understand, what is this, the ma'am is speaking so many things. Doesn't matter. Slowly things will fall into place, and you have your seniors who are there in this group again, who have rejoined, who want to improve their game. So when they keep doing it, what will happen? You will see them, you will say, okay, this is what I have to do. Oh, it's very clear, it's very simple. So there is nothing much for you to worry or think about. Okay. The third one is the daily speaking prompts. This is something that is posted every day, wherein that will help you to start speaking on a regular basis. See, speaking is something that you can improve only with practice. So first thing that you have to get out of your mind is this hesitation, this nervousness. Like how I'm just casually talking to you people. I've actually not looked at this PPT before. I'm not prepared for this, okay? So, pardon me. But on the other hand, what I'm trying to say is, I want you to be also to feel at ease, like as if you're talking to your friend, you're talking to your neighbor. So whatever prompt we give, just take your phone, switch on the audio, and then just speak out of it. There's no right, there's no wrong. Nobody is going to judge you. And believe me, you look at your audio on the first day and the last day, you will realize, oh my God, how I'm speaking, how I've improved. So it's all about that. So first thing is, be consistent. Just keep doing your work. Don't think about being perfect. Don't think about being right. Don't think about being wrong. Don't worry about any of those things. Just keep doing it. Okay. We are there to help you. We're there to guide you. All you need to do is just do these small tasks. So all these things, it won't take more time. Okay. It's a small tasks and it's interesting tasks. And also my suggestion for you is just keep seeing what others are doing in the group. When you see others are posting what others are posting, then what happens? You will get motivated, you will get inspired, you'll get ideas, and then you'll feel comfortable. Okay, for example, if somebody is making a mistake, you'll feel, okay, others are also making mistake. And if somebody is speaking really well, you'll say, oh my God, he's speaking so well. Why don't I start speaking like that? So it works both ways. All I want you to do is start doing this on a regular basis. So there's one major task that's given every week. Okay. So this is something that you can take your time and complete it by the time the week gets over. The first week, there is something called life guide. This is absolutely important. It gives you a lot of clarity. There's so much of learning in this, and it's very interesting. We help you to do it with ChatGPT. We give you all the prompts. I'll not go too much into details, but I want you to make a promise today that you've entered this universe with a big goal, isn't it? You want to achieve something big in life. You want to achieve a 6-figure salary is not the only thing we are thinking of. Okay, there is some much more. We want you to become leaders. That is where we are coming from. Okay, so we have some great ambition for you, and I see that all of you have great potential. So I want you to take this up seriously and do it, and believe me, you will see a lot of change in yourself. The second week is watching all the core concept videos. Okay, The recorded videos, I'm sure you already have access to these videos. If you don't have access, you can do a shout out in the group or to any of us, send a message saying that, ma'am, I'm not able to access these videos. Immediately we'll help you. All these videos are interesting. It is short. I'm not boring you at all. We've made it very small so that what do I say? You don't get that, you don't get hassled saying that, oh my god, it's a 20 minutes video, 30 minutes video, I have to sit and watch. No, it's really small. Okay, we have created it that way that it's small and interesting. And another thing is, don't skip anything. You have to keep listening to this multiple times also, maybe later, but it's okay. As of now, just start watching it. Make sure that you don't miss out on anything. The third week, you'll have to start working on making a presentation. All of you know PPT is creating a presentation. Making a presentation is absolutely important. In your college assignments, later at your workspace, where maybe you're making a presentation for your boss, for your team, for your client. All these things are really important, and we will help you to make awesome presentations. Okay, so all the guidance will be given. At the end of it, you have to do the assignment. The fourth week is writing 2 stories. Okay, in this, what happens? What I believe that storytelling is very powerful. So whatever you are able to, whatever you want to convey, if you tell that through story, then what happens? It stays in a person's mind. So I want all of you to become awesome storytellers. So this is another module that we have for you. Okay, monthly tasks. So another interesting activity that we have is Pajama Reading Club. Okay, this happens every day in the night, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, it's a very interesting activity. We choose the best books, interesting books that you may have thought, oh, this book is something I want to read it in my life. You must have thought, but never got to do it. Now this is an opportunity for you, and believe me, books are your best friends. If you become readers, your life will be transformed. That is where we're helping you to get into this journey with lot of reading. Don't think it's what would I say? Oh, it's so boring. Oh, it's so difficult. Oh, I really don't like. No, don't think of it like that. Think of all the people. It may be Elon Musk or Warren Buffett, Sudha Murthy. There are so many people, your examples, successful people in front of you who read on a regular basis. They read 1 book per day. Do you know that? 1 book per week. That's what I've heard. If you start doing this, believe me, you're going to improve your language, your vocabulary. You'll get so much of knowledge. You'll become creative. Your imagination will improve. And all you have to do is, there's somebody out there reading for you. You just have to lie back and listen. So it's just a passive thing. You don't have to do anything. Just at the end of it, there's going to be a small interaction wherein you can just say what you felt about the book that was read. So make sure you don't miss these sessions. Okay, so if you want, you can just take a screenshot of this, take a picture of this. Anyway, we will be sharing all these things. A PDF will be attached, and this will be shared with you. But I just want to run through this whole thing so that you get an idea of, okay, what is in store in this journey that you have started. What are the different things we will cover? What is it that you will achieve? What is it that you can expect from here? Okay, the first week is self-discovery week, and second week is core concepts week. Third week is powerful presentation, and then you have writing success. Then fifth week is email writing. Then sixth is personal branding. Seventh week is group discussion. Then eighth week is final checklist week. Ninth week is job search and networking. 10th week is interview storytelling. Then you have mock interviews, professional communication, then revision. So I want you all to get ready for a journey of growth and success. Let's make every week count. Does it seem like too much? Actually, no, it's not much, because these are all very important things for you to cover. You, in fact, your college, your school, it should have helped you to crack all this, learn all this, and become experts in this. But what happens in our education system? The focus is more on syllabus and curriculum. Nobody focuses on this kind of soft skills wherein it will help you to get a job, it will help you to grow in your job, it will help you to become a better person. So all these things are absolutely crucial, and this is something that you have to start working on, and we are there to help you and guide you. Another thing I want to talk about is live hackathon sessions. Okay, these sessions are interactive sessions like this, like how I'm having just now, wherein all the students come in, we have a topic we focus on, we also talk to each other and try to understand what problems you have, and we have missions for each week, and we'll help you to do these missions. Okay, so these live hackathon sessions are important. It happens on Wednesdays, so mark on your calendar, make sure you make yourself free for this 1 hour and sit with me, and I would love to interact with my students, meet up, chat with you, and try to understand how is your learning going on, and what problems you are facing, and how you overcome whatever challenges you've had. Okay, so I want to see you every Wednesday. Then we have dedicated mentor for 90 days. Okay, weekly guidance from a personal mentor. These are clarity coaches, as we call them. Do you know the people who become your coaches, they are from IIT, IIM, 30 years of corporate experience from organizations like Bosch, Siemens, TCS and all that. It's amazing the kind of people that we've been able to collect and attract, if I can say, and they are ready to help you and serve you. Come on, this is the, I would say, icing on the cake. So who will get this kind of mentorship? You must utilize this. I have seen some students who have actually utilized this, and they have grown, they have carved a path for themselves, and their career is on track, they have got good jobs, and they are aiming for something more now. Okay, but there are students who miss out on these mentoring calls, and they have absolutely missed out on something amazing. So what I want you to say is, make sure, and this is something that the mentor will sit with you and fix the time and the day. So accordingly, you can fix one time and make sure you are available for your mentor. And you have to understand that your mentor is so experienced but still making time for you. So you have to make sure that you make your time feasible. Okay, that you're available during that time. Then we also have weekly accountability calls. We have amazing teachers who will follow up with you, because see, I believe, one, it's all about teaching, giving you information, but on the other hand, it's also about inspiring you, motivating you, hand holding you, making sure you do that. So this is an amazing different kind of place. Okay, it's not like a regular thing wherein, okay, we give you all the information, we give you all the PPTs, and they say, okay, if you do it, you do it, if you don't do it, left to you, it's not my problem. That's not the way we look at it. We want to make sure that you win. We want to make sure that you complete it. We want to make sure that you understood what we are saying. So that is the way we do it, and we help you in whatever way possible. So these weekly accountability calls will also be there. Then you have live GD sessions. This we have at the end of the course, wherein it will help you to work on your group discussion. Okay, because lots of colleges, lots of companies, they have this GDs before they select you for interviews. So this will be an excellent way of working on your communication skill. We also have live mock interviews. You know, people who have attended these mock sessions say, ma'am, we were so comfortable in the real interviews because we attended these mock interviews. So don't miss out on that. And the final week mock interview with expert, okay, wherein first you will have a lot of practice sessions, then afterwards you actually sit with one expert who will conduct like a live regular interview. This will boost your confidence. It will give you ideas how you have to attack questions and how you have to present yourself, how you have to be fluent and make sure that you grab that job. So let me just complete this whole thing, explain everything. After that, I want to talk to all of you. I have not spoken to any of you, the students. I wanted an introduction from you. I want to understand you better. But let me just finish this first, okay? Then we have something called English Buddy. You know, this is something that we provide for students who are regular and committed and who are struggling with communication, who say, ma'am, I don't have anybody whom I can talk to so that I can practice my English. I said, okay, here. We are there to help you. We'll give you an English buddy who talks to you on a regular basis to help you to improve your communication. Okay. So this is for students who are committed, who are already showing that, yes, I'm doing it. Okay. Then we have internships slots for all our students here in Asha Infinite Foundation. There's a lot of work, different kinds of experience you can get from these internships, and these internships are absolutely valuable, believe me, because you get certificate, you get, if you do good work, you get LOR, and these are absolutely crucial when you for your along with your resume you can put it, or even when you want to apply for universities abroad. Social work certificate is very, very important. We get emails from so many different universities, students who have done internships with us and they've gone there and they're seeking work, maybe they're seeking for scholarships, they're seeking different things, and we get mails from all these foreign colleges saying that, okay, do you corroborate whatever the student is saying? So believe me, this is absolutely important and you're getting an amazing opportunity. Then we have Hive sessions, which are special weekend sessions that will help you to do these weekly tasks. Like how I told you, you have to complete your life guide, you have to do your presentation, you have to write stories and resumes, and you have to write emails, and you have to optimize your LinkedIn. All these tasks, we don't just simply give it to you and say, okay, you're on your own, go ahead and do it. No, there will be a teacher who will sit with you, will help you to do this on a regular basis. It's just that you have to make yourself available. You should be regular, you should be dedicated. We give our 100% and more than 100%, and we expect the same from you. And also we have special expertise sessions by industry experts. This is on monthly basis we have this. After this 90-day journey, what is there for you? I want you to understand that also. It doesn't stop here. After that, we have a 30-day personal branding challenge. I believe that all of us have to make ourselves visible and we have to be heard, we have to be seen. So personal brand building is very important. This is something we teach our students, okay? And become interview champion. All of you, I want you to crack interviews, be able to speak fluently and confidently in front of an interviewer and get that job, whichever dream job you're looking for, okay? And this 30-day public speaking challenge, this is also another big dream of mine, wherein I want my students to give TED Talks. I want my students to stand in front of a huge audience and speak beautifully, wherein you get a standing ovation, okay? And all these things, there is a cost attached to it, but we are giving it to you just that way, okay? Okay, we have some very interesting awards lined up. The first one is Future Ready Finisher for finishing all the tasks that's given to you. Okay, marks are given. We have our coordinators, our teammates who are diligently following up and making notes of every task that you do. Okay, and then they give marks, and then at the end of it, you will be given this award. These are very interesting awards. You have to make sure that you get it, okay? Then you have something called Future Ready Winner. for a person who completes all 3 months tasks. Things like certificate of winner, recommend. These are the things that you will get. Okay, you will get a certificate, a winner certificate. Then you'll get recommendation on LinkedIn, and you'll also get one beautiful T-shirt. So these are the things we are trying to make it more interesting for you, challenging for you, and something that you can look forward to. Okay, then you have this Hall of Fame award. If you get a job or an internship in any organization, you get a certificate for this. You'll also be invited on the YouTube and you'll be interviewed. And of course, an appreciation and recommendation on LinkedIn and some gift vouchers. Oh, my team is so generous. We are going to give some gift vouchers also. 6-figure salary award. You got a high paying job in a company or organization, then you have a surprise gift hamper, gift voucher, certificate of winner, and you're invited on YouTube, then appreciation and recommendation post on LinkedIn. Come on, guys, I want you to look at this 6-figure salary award and say, yes, I can get it, and I want this, I'm going to get it. We already have many students who have got this. We want many more to get this, okay? Let me just tell you what are the different memberships available here in Future Ready Hub, okay? The first one is the silver membership, which you're all a part of, which is the foundation course. This will help you to build a strong foundation for you to have a great, awesome career, okay? Then the gold membership is a lot of techniques and tactics are taught to you so that you become a professional and improve upon your public speaking skills, okay? Then you have diamond membership, okay? This is a diploma certification. You will gain all the skills you need to become a successful entrepreneur, professional, public speaker, storyteller, also an English communication coach. So we have everything available on the platter for you. Whatever you require, name it, you have it, okay? So this is the journey ahead of you, which is very interesting. And let me introduce my coordinators for you. That's me, Meera. I am heading this whole program. We have Kanti ma'am, who's the director in Asha and Fanat Foundation. Ambika is our mentor coordinator. Nalini is student coordinator. We have Kratika, who's the team lead, and Sandhya Niranjan, who's the communication coordinator. We also have Vaishali Palsikash, who is the internship coordinator. Okay. Yes. Now is the time I want you to switch on your cameras and start speaking. Yes. Yes, go ahead. Let's see who wants to start speaking first. I think Himaja, since you're an old student, you should start doing this. Basavraj. Yes, go ahead. You've switched on your camera also. Go ahead. What's your name? Where are you from? What's the specialty of your place? What are you currently pursuing? And 3 words that describe you and what do you want to give back to the society. Let me just hear from you. Basavraj Hiremat.
Myself, Basaraj. I am from Raichur. I am from a place where 40% of electricity is produced, and
Okay.
we can see a gold mine, one and only gold mine in Karnataka.
Okay, excellent.
I am currently pursuing BE second year in electrical and electronics engineering at
Okay.
BNMIT, Banishankari second stage.
Okay.
Not much. There is not much about me, but I am like needy.
Yes, go ahead. Confident.
I am serve the people who are poor.
Okay.
Give them as much as possible. Make them happy.
Excellent, excellent. So, Basavraj, so who referred you to the program?
Ma'am, my brother Niranjan Hiramat.
Okay, your Niranjan's brother, is it?
Own brother. Ma'am.
Oh, very good. Do you know Niranjan is our star student?
I don't know, ma'am.
So he's not told you. He's regular and he's improved so much. So we expect the same from you also.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm? Okay, very good. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So Devamma, can I hear from you, please? Devamma
Yes,
Talageri.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm Devamma. I am from Yadgiri, which is known as Girinadu in our Karnataka state. And yeah,
What are you studying currently?
I'm third year engineering student,
Where?
Information Science Department from Global Academy of Technology.
Huh? Where? From where?
Global Academy of Technology, ma'am.
In Bangalore?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Who referred you?
Akshaya.
Akshaya. Okay, okay. Huh. Are you an
So how,
NRI student?
What, ma'am?
NRI student?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. So 3 words that describes you?
Uh, Silence.
Okay.
And I will do the hard work, ma'am.
Okay. Hardworking. Okay.
And but I don't have a patience.
No patience. Okay. Impatient girl.
Yes.
We'll teach you how to become patient. Why don't you switch on your camera so that we can see you?
Okay.
Okay. So where are you staying now currently?
Home, ma'am.
Okay. Your holidays, is it?
No, ma'am. I'm in Kengeri, ma'am.
Kengeri only. Okay, fine, fine. Excellent. So lovely talking to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, can we talk to Ravalya now? Ravalya, switch on your camera. I want all of you to be fully ready so that we don't waste any time. Go ahead, Ravalya. Okay, can I have Nikhil?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, switch on your camera.
Okay, madam.
All of you, please be ready with your cameras open.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah,
My name is Nikhil Kumar.
okay.
I am from Kamam.
From?
From Kamam, ma'am.
Okay.
Khammam is a place in Andhra.
Okay, okay, okay.
Kamam in
Telangana.
Telangana, ma'am.
Okay.
Telangana. Sorry, Telangana.
Telangana. Okay, okay, okay.
In Kamam, the specialty is Lakaram, madam.
Oh, look at his face. He is Santosh's brother.
Yes, madam. Yes.
I can make out when I look at you. You both of you look very similar. Very good. Okay, okay. Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah.
I completed degree. After that, I started a government job.
Oh,
I
you're
completed
working
degree, madam.
currently? You're working currently, Nikhil?
Uh, Currently, I am working for. I am.
Which company?
Not madam. I am not working. I am studying, madam.
You're studying. What are you studying?
Studying for data analytics, madam.
Okay, where?
From online, madam.
Online. So is this like a diploma course, is it? Or an engineering? What is this?
This from Udemy, madam. From
Okay, okay. So I'll have a one-on-one with you so that I can understand what exactly you're doing, Nikhil. Huh? So welcome to this program, and this is going to transform you, and I want you to be regular, okay?
okay, madam.
Yeah, yeah. Sandhya, go ahead. Unmute yourself. Unmute.
I'm Sandhya, ma'am. I'm from Hyderabad, and currently I'm pursuing in a degree final year, ma'am, in Mehedipatnam, Sindhu Degree College.
Okay.
And 3 words that describe me is I have patience, lots of patience,
Okay.
and I'm little emotional
Okay.
and hardworking, ma'am.
Okay. Excellent, Sandhya. So what are you studying? You said final year degree. Which degree?
Become computers, ma'am.
BCom.
Department of Commerce.
Okay. And who referred you for the course?
Ma'am, I got to know about this I'm a part of Ishwa Foundation, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So there, one madam is posted about this thing. So I know through that foundation.
Okay. Okay. So what I want you all to do is just be committed, be regular. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Great. Great. So who else yet to speak? Santosh, let me hear from you. How are you? Is this the same Santosh or is this somebody else? Is this our old student?
Hello everyone. This is Samsung Tamil. That we have Lakaran in Tamil. There's a coach called Kriya, which
Oh,
dates
it's
back
not
to
clear, Santosh.
1950s.
You're not very clear. You want to take off your headphones or something? Go ahead, speak now.
How about now?
Yeah, better.
Hello everyone. This is Santosh. I am from Khammam district, which is located in Telangana. And the specialty of my place, as told my brother, Lakaram, as well as we have a fort, which is called Killa Fort, which dates back to 1950s and constructed by Kaktiya rulers. And currently, I'm working as a data scientist in finance industry. It's been 2.5 years. And 3 words that describe me. First of all, I'm loyalty. I'm loyal, and I don't like to cause any inconvenience to everyone. And what do you want to give back to society? Uh, I really didn't thought about that. Uh, One thing I could say is guidance. Maybe I would like to give the guidance I get from my mentors. That is one thing I should give back to society. Yeah, that is
Okay.
all about me.
Great, great. And this time around, we want you to be regular, Santosh, and give your 100%.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Yes. See, and you are the most senior student in this group now, and you're much more capable than what you are currently. You can reach better heights, okay? You can, greater heights you can reach. And I still remember your dream. You want to be a storyteller, you want to be a TEDx speaker, motivational speaker, all those things. I'm sure the dreams are still there, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So we need to see that you commit yourself to this program so that you can achieve all your dreams.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So Ravalya, that time we didn't hear from you. Go ahead, unmute and then speak.
Good
Switch on your
evening,
camera
ma'am.
also, Ravalya. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. I am Ravalya from Chittoor. What is specialty in our place means
Kanipakam and Tirupati temples as final year in RK Degree College, BCA group. Describing about myself, I'm quick learner and decision making person and critical thinking. I want to help for needy people, ma'am. That is my back to give society, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Nice to hear from you, Ravalya. Okay, we need more such people like you. Very nice. So, all the best. Be regular and we'll be following you. Okay, and we want to help you. So, do
Thank
we
you,
have,
ma'am.
yeah, do we have any other students, new students here? Sandhya, did we hear from you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what about the others? Go ahead. Just say hello. Himaja, Taranjeet, can I hear from both of you?
Yeah, hi ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, camera.
Yeah, hi ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you, Himaja?
Yeah, fine, ma'am.
Yes. Go ahead and introduce yourself. We want one Zabardast introduction from you.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. This is Himaja. I'm from Chittoor. In my native place is Chittoor. The specialty of our place is the place of devotional temples. Yeah, present I'm pursuing BSc, final BSc in Sri Vidyaniditi Degree College. Three words about me, about three words that describe me is I'm a dedicated student, and I'm agree to say that I'm somewhat a slow learner, and I will be very regular, and I want to give back to the society, means I want to help others now.
Okay. Great,
Thank
great.
you.
So you are
And
always,
Himaja,
yes.
a small note about how you have felt in being a part of Future Ready Hub.
Yes.
What changes have you seen in yourself? I want you to inspire the new students.
Yeah, well, yeah, ma'am. Once repeat your question.
I want you to speak a little about the journey you have from joining Future Ready Hub. After you join
Yeah,
Future Ready Hub, what are the changes you see in yourself?
yeah, yeah, ma'am. By joining to this course, I have learned a lot about knowing about technology, about grammar and how to speak confidently. About my English grammar also, I have developed a lot. And coming to the and after joining this course, I have learned how to speak confidently without preparing anything, ma'am. Without fear, how we can speak.
Excellent.
By this course, we can get a good knowledge, and we get a good atmosphere also to speak, ma'am, in English, and we can learn a lot of things from.
Great, great. Thank you, Himaja. Thank you. So, Taranjeet, you're back after a long time. Let's hear from you.
Hello, good evening, everyone. I am Mira. It's really a long time.
Yes.
My name is Taranjeet Kaur Sethi. I am from Mumbai, the financial capital and the Bollywood of India. The speciality, that is the major speciality. We are all of us in Mumbai are very great foodies. We love our food, and we have a mix from all over India. We get the cheapest and the most expensive one also. Currently, I have been in the education field from last 35 years. Currently, I have just given my Masters in English Honors I've done. I'm awaiting the results and planning to do my PhD next year. The three words that describe me are honest, dedicated, and always ready to help. I have been associated with many of the NGOs during my journey, and also associated with Asha Infinite. It has been really, you have been a source of inspiration, Meera. You were the one who gave me that boost that yes, I should join this course. And it's been really great. Like Asha has been working for my school the reading classes, which really were very good, excellent. It was really a great thing. Like children still remember that, and I am conducting now a online class for them, speaking class. So they are very happy to do it.
Excellent, excellent.
So this is something really very great
Yeah,
about
yeah.
Asha. And I'm looking forward to be more deeply connected with Asha.
Great, great, great. So, hoping you will be able to achieve whatever big dreams you have, Taranjeet. You are dedicated and you have all that is required to be successful. All you need is a little bit of guidance and push, and we are there to help you, and we want to help you to achieve your dreams.
I would like to put in one thing for the new students those who have joined, that this is a course where it is you're not being judged even if you're wrong. Like the other children those who have joined, those who have problem in speaking English, they just handhold you and pull you up. And there is so much of exposure that would really help these children. So it would be great for them if they are attentive and regular in this course. It would be really great for them.
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. So it's just that they all need a little bit of push and guidance, and we're there, and we try to make all our activities creative and fun and different, so that this learning doesn't seem like learning. It's more of a fun activity, if you can call it. That is what we try to integrate, so that it's interesting. This learning is interesting for them. So we have our coordinators here. We still have 10 minutes more, so we can hear from each one of them, please. Kanti ma'am, Kratika ma'am, anybody else? Who else is here?
Good evening, everybody. So I don't know if you can see me.
Yes, we can see you.
Okay. Yeah. So what I have to tell you is I've been associated with Asha almost 10 years now. And each new course I learn, and each new student is a learning for me as well. Each of you come with completely different perspective, completely different strengths, completely different ideas, and each of them make me grow as a person. Thank you so much for being a part of my learning journey. I hope my presence in your lives also will become a source of learning and growth and evolving for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, Kratika ma'am, can we hear from you?
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
I know,
Good
sorry,
evening.
yeah, you're not feeling too well, but thank you for making time and being here.
Yeah. So good evening, everyone, and welcome all the new and the old one who are restarting their journey. And we actually every new batch starts, we really try our best to add new initiatives, new ideas in the course. So this time too, we have added so many new elements. Hope you enjoy this journey of your learning, and we will not hold back you, or we will not leave your hand till you get your job or your internship or your enhancement, like improvement. So we want the best for you, 100% of you. So we are giving you our 100%. We expect the 100% from you, and I think we both we all pray for your success. So all the best, everyone. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, Pratika ma'am. So, like I said earlier, we're all available.
Let's have a short jam session, but we'll give only 30 seconds to each of them. Okay?
Yeah, please
It'll
go
be
ahead.
a lovely thing if each of you can tell 5 sentences about your favorite movie. I think a favorite movie or show. You know why? Because it's easy to speak about. So I'll give you each 30 seconds.
And ma'am, can we have everyone's camera open so that like we can have a screenshot or memory
Please.
of our first orientation?
Yes. Please, all cameras on. We want to take one nice screenshot. And always make sure you sit in a place where there is good light.
Light.
Yeah, your cameras are good, all that. Devamma,
And
you
who's-
have logged in through 2 devices, is it? This YYY, who is that? I'm yet to understand. Oh, that's
Me only, ma'am. It's me only.
okay.
Okay, so I want each of you, we have another 7 minutes. You have but 8 of you, or 9, 8 of you. So 8 of you, 30 seconds each. Who's going to go first?
Drawing.
Call out names, Kanti, better.
Okay, fine. Taranjit, would you like to go first?
I am not a very good movie buff. I don't like
Okay,
watching
whatever
movies.
you
But
like.
one
So
of the movies which I like, one of the movies which I like was Guide of Devanand and Vaidaraman. That was an excellent movie because not only because there were so many new innovations in that movie, but towards the end, where Devanand gives his life for the water, which is very, very important today also. There's so much of scarcity of water. And he gives up his life, he keeps that fast water, like he doesn't drink water. He said, till it does not rain, I will not have water. And he dies also because of that. But it is still relevant today also. That water is so scarce and we just ruin it. So this is something that is one of my favorite movies. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I love the songs in that movie. So, yeah. So, who's going to go next? Himaja. I'm going to call out the old students so that the new students will get an idea how it's to be done. Himaja, do you like any movie or would you like to speak about it? We don't have too much time, so don't take too long.
Yeah, ma'am. I like to see movies. One of my favorite movies is Lucky Bastard, which was released recently itself, which was casted by Dr. Salman and Meenakshi Chowdhury. The main concept in that is he will go wrong path to earn the money because the family crisis and the family situation that have faced him. But the most impressive part or else any climatic part means he will escape from that mistake that he had done and went out a very smart way. Ma'am. That was I had liked it, and I thought that people who will do mistakes and should not do mistakes, but situations come to do mistakes should be escaped very smartly. That the movie is explained, ma'am. And the main and one more thing it explains is how the people in middle class situations are faced. What are the strategies that are faced and the needs that are they wanted to fulfill their needs.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Santosh, how about you? So this is all new stuff, man. So you have to buck up and you have to do it. So think of it like your storytelling. Storytelling practice.
You're on mute.
Yeah. So I'm not a big fan of movies, but I'd like to tell about my first novel. So I started reading new novels starting like 1 month back. So my first novel is like Tuesdays with Murray. So it's about a professor and a student. The professor is is in his dying stage, and the student who tried to follow his professor's principles, he is not able to follow, and he is like in a competitive world. So it's like he is visiting his professor and getting good principles back from his old days.
So this book is by Mitch Albom, right?
Yes.
Good. He's an amazing writer. He wrote quite a lot of lovely books. Please continue reading that man. You'll find lots of inspiration. Yes. So who's going to go next?
Sandhya, since her camera is on, go ahead, Sandhya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't like any movie, but I like one serial, ma'am, that is Mahabharatam. So I really like to watch that show because it teaches the life, how should the life is, and it teaches the lessons. And the life, uh, how should a human should behaves, and if any challenges come, how should he react? Yes,
Good,
Yes.
Sandhya. Thank you so much. You know what? Each of you would love the book we are reading now. We're going to start a book called Start With Why. And if you've heard of this amazing gentleman called Simon Sinek, so I want all of you, as a short homework, go up onto the net and search for Simon Sinek. He's an amazing speaker, amazing writer, and we are going to start with his book tomorrow. Please attend. I think Taranjit can tell you how she enjoyed the book reading. And so, Ravalya, why don't you start? And then we'll ask Nikhil and Devamma. Ravalya?
I think her connection is poor.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So, Nikhil, then Devamma. Nikhil, please start off. Anything you like?
Unmute, unmute.
Unmute yourself. Yeah, thank you.
I like Kalki movie, ma'am. Recently, recently come, recently updated, ma'am.
Okay, what did you like
Because
about it?
because it has nice graphics and it tells about future, how future will be, how future will be.
Okay.
So,
So you
what is the age difference between you and Santosh?
2 years, madam.
Okay. So, both of you look like literally like twins. Even the voice is so similar. Voice.
good.
So, Nikhil, see, your brother cracked IIT. Okay. You should also do something really great. I'm sure. See, that's why he's brought you here. He's brought you to the right place so that we can help you. And he's also there to guide you. And you should also do achieve great things.
So, but
Thank you,
Santosh,
madam.
this time round, we expect better attendance,
Yes.
better doing your projects.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With your attending that little only, you could see a difference. Now imagine if you put in a little more effort, how it'll be.
Yes. I will.
Just prioritize, Santosh. It's nice to
I don't
see.
want to be a bad influence on my brother, like not attending the session. So I will definitely try to attend.
Thank you so much, Nikhil. I have to thank your brother now.
My battery. Continue. I'll just switch this.
Yeah. So Devamma, why don't you start? We've actually overshot the time, but it's okay.
Ma'am,
We'll
can I
finish.
speak, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, recently my favorite movie is Amaran, ma'am. I have watched it. The way he fights for others to save all people.
Okay, which movie is this?
like
I'm
that
sorry, I didn't see.
Ma'am, movie name called Amaran, ma'am, which was released recently, ma'am,
Okay,
on
okay.
31st October.
The great
Oh,
actors like Shiva Karthikeyan and Sai Pallavi were
Sai Pallavi.
actors in that movie, ma'am.
Okay.
In the climax, if Shiva Karthikeyan is alive, then the story will be very well, ma'am. But the death of Shiva Karthikeyan, we got unhappy, ma'am.
Okay.
But the movie main aim is to stop smuggling and keep people happy, ma'am.
Good. So you like it because of its social service and what it's doing for others than more selflessness than selfishness, right?
This is real story of other people, ma'am.
Oh, that's very nice. Good. Okay,
That's why I liked it more, ma'am.
good. So it shows how real people also can be heroes. Real heroes are better than real
He left
heroes.
his family to save others' life, ma'am. They are
Wonderful.
great soldiers, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
I like that thing more, ma'am.
Good.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to speak.
No, please. We enjoy having everybody speak. Yes. Devamma, as I just told you, each of you are teaching me things, and thank you for that.
I think
Devamma,
Ravalya was the one who spoke now. Who spoke?
Ravalya.
Okay, she wanted to speak. Okay, great.
Devamma,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So speak about your favorite movie, book, show, whatever.
Yes, ma'am. I love watching movies, ma'am. And recently I saw Kalki movie, which was great ethic about the Ramayana. No, Mahabharata. I love the character of Krishna, which will teach us to uh, improve our life with his great teaching of Bhagavad Gita. I love Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita, ma'am. I love
Good.
reading.
Thank you. So I've been a part of a Bhagavad Gita class 4 years now, fifth year running, and we finished Bhagavad Gita once, and I've read it by myself two times. So this is my fourth round, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Meera ma'am, you can complete.
Yes. So thank you everyone for attending. So like I said, we'll just be giving you small tasks, small activities, but these are going to create huge impact in your life. You will see a lot of transformation. So all we request from your side is to be regular and dedicated. That's all. Any doubts you have, we're all available. Keep posting messages, tell us what problems you're facing, even not just challenges and problems. You can also tell us good things. Okay, I loved this, I found this interesting, I learned something new, I am improving. We would love to hear such stories from you. Okay, so see you again next week, and activities will start off from today itself. I didn't see a lot of participation in the group. Please go ahead, and especially the old students, once you start participating, the new students will also realize how they have to do it. All the best. Looking forward to seeing you again, and lot of transformation happening in this batch. See you all then. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.